Good evening, Quahog. This is Tom Tucker reporting live from the latest Quahog meeting. We have some interesting developments to share with you tonight.
Slurs on cock, wow, slug on cock,
Yes, thank you, Diane. Moving on, it seems that the Quahog has decided to introduce a controversial new system of education.
slurs on cock, wow, so cock,
Indeed, Diane, the PA has implemented a program called Action Lesson. Under this initiative, students are encouraged to fight each other as a way of learning important life lessons.
slurs on cock, wow, so cock,
That's right, Diane. Parents in Quahog are divided on this issue. Some see it as a unique approach to education, while others are concerned about the safety and well-being of their children.
slurs on cock, wow, song.
We spoke to one parent, Lois Griffin, who had this to say: "Can't believe they're encouraging violence in schools. This is not the way to teach our children valuable lessons."
Slurs on cock, wow, so slurs.